Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, my name is Caroline and you should totally subscribe and join the man fam. Today's video is going to be a vlog of my life, probably like the next day or so. I feel like I have so much to update you guys on. Literally, like, a lot has happened. Let's roll a clip from last Sunday, or Monday. I think it was Sunday. Hi friends, today it's 90 degrees. You already know what's about to come. I have a little surprise for y'all. Quick little life update. This whole situation occurred last night. We all went to Leighton's house yesterday. We had a little party there. I decided that I wanted to become a pro basketball player and I literally ate on the court. And I kept telling everybody, I was like, guys, like my ankle hurts so bad. Like I think I rolled it, all this stuff. And Maddie, I literally called Maddie today, we talked about it. And she was like, I actually thought you were joking. And I was like, no, I was not joking. And then I woke up at 7 a.m. because I spent the night there and I called my mom and I was like, Mom, I need you to take me to urgent care. Like literally my ankle hurts. They said that I like overstretched a ligament and yeah, it's not broken, so that's good. I didn't fracture anything, but I get to wear this bad boy for quite some time. But anyways, yeah, so we're going tanning today. Don't ask me what's going on with my hair right now. It's kind of crazy. So we're gonna go to Miss Ronda's right now and we're gonna tan because the UV is really good, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, me, Maddie, and Fia are gonna go there, tan, eat some food, you know, have a good old time. So, insane. Probably should not be squatting because my ankle hurts right now. It felt like it was broken the morning after, but thankfully, you know, God's got my back. It wasn't broken. And I have been wearing this astronaut boot around school, everywhere I go. Today it's kind of starting to feel a little bit better, so I decided I wanted to wear normal shoes, but I still keep my foot wrapped and stuff to keep it in its place. That's been a little slip up. I put on this like temporary tattoo thing that I'm doing for a prom campaign. I'm working with this brand called Inkbox and that is going to be on my TikTok, but like you guys, look at how realistic this tattoo looks. Like I think I've pranked like 3 people saying that this is real. It's not real, don't worry. Probably not gonna get a tattoo. Maybe if I ever have kids and I want one dedicated to them, I will, but I don't think I could ever bring myself to do a permanent tattoo. So this is why these temporary ones have been so much fun, and I've literally put like 5 on my body, so. And they actually last a very, very long time. Thank you so much, Shein, for sponsoring today's video. I have worked with Shein so many times in the past, and they are literally one of my favorite clothing brands just because of how versatile their tops and bottoms and dresses are, but also because it's like an addiction shopping on their site because I just keep on clicking add to cart, add to cart, add to cart, and yeah. Shein's 2022 festival collection is now available. Shein has you covered with the trendiest styles for any music event. Whether you're going to the desert for a festival or staying at home, they've got you covered. I'm gonna do a little Shein try-on haul for you guys. This is gonna be nice and sweet. All of the links are gonna be in the description box so you can shop my favorite looks because I am obsessed with this outfit that I've got on. Literally, if this isn't the cutest thing ever, I don't know what is. Also, just a heads up, you guys can use my code It's Caroline at checkout for 15% off. Alright, so to start this off, I'm gonna be pairing this adorable ripped bootcut jeans with a bunch of different tops. I can now attest and say this is my new favorite pair of jeans ever. First top I'm pairing it with is this super cute boho festival crochet top. It's got an off-the-shoulder vibe, definitely very eye-catching. Second top is this cute little lace cami. I've never really owned a lot of cami tops just because I didn't really think that they were flattering on, but I decided to get this one off of Shein. Definitely going back and ordering more. So cute and dainty. The third top is this off-the-shoulder floral and paisley crop top. It's literally adorable. Forgot that I picked this out on their website, and then when it came, I literally screamed. So nice going. The sleeves are so puffy. The detail on this is incredible. Yeah, it's got like that cute little tie at the top. Brings out your neck. Then we've got this fluffy knit top. I've never owned something like this, but I'm so here for it. And the color blue, one of my favorite colors ever to wear in clothing. This is something a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I'm all about trying new things. I can totally totally see myself making this like an early 2000s outfit, maybe putting in like a scrunchie, a cute handbag, white jeans. It's got this like cute little heart ring, super flattering. This next one is so cute. I feel like this is like the perfect date outfit. Ruffle cuff crop tee paired together with the bell-bottom jeans. I'm obsessed, and the cut is so flattering. This dress gives off the cutest boho vibes. I low-key want to take my senior photos in this because this is so perfect. Everybody needs a white, beautiful dress in their life. This next outfit, oh my gosh, this is a clubbing outfit. If I was going to a club tomorrow, this is exactly what I would pull up in. This is so flattering, and you don't really see a lot of outfits like this, which is why Shein absolutely killed it. Then we've got this little play suit romper action. I would probably wear this as a coverall anytime I'm at the beach. Then we've got a nice white set. So this comes with a long sleeve crop top with like bell-bottom sleeves. So into this. And then it also comes with this super cute high-waisted skirt, which I'm a huge fan of. It's very stretchy material, so you're not gonna feel suffocated. Hello, good morning. Today is Tuesday, and I am going to school today. Also, literally had to get gas because I was about to run out, and that would have been really bad. But yeah, let me fill you guys in on what's been going on. So I don't have class today until like 12:30, and this morning I literally had to film a very long brand deal, which took like 3 hours, and I had to try on different shoes and stuff. But my ankle is still like repairing from its sprain. I'm trying to not wear my boot for the whole day because one, it's been creating this disgusting scab on my, like, it's like rubbing against my ankle, creating this scab, and it really freaking hurts. And also, you know, I don't like wearing it. It just isn't cute. So I'm wearing my regular shoes today. After I fill up my tank, I'm gonna drive to Lexi's house, and we're gonna go to Summer Moon, get some coffee, and then we're also gonna go to oh wait, no, I think she's making lunch for us at her house. Oh, I want to do a drive with me video soon because I've got so many good songs just like this. And it's so sad that baby she don't see what I see. It's not everything that I would change. Girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. She's so beautiful. The whole world stops and stares for a while. The way you are. Hi friends. Okay, I'm at Lexi's house right now. Look, I've got Biscuit, the cutest little dog ever. Look at his little baby. Hi guys, Lexi and I are going to Summer Moon right now. Lexi, how have you been? Tell the vlog.
I've been so good. Ready to graduate, guys.
How many days do we graduate?
I don't know. I don't keep track.
Well, today is April. Oh my god, it's April. I'm so excited. Why is it like this? Hold on. Today's April 5th, and we graduate on May 27th. So we've got about a month.
Yeah, but a lot of it's not classes either though, because we're not taking fun, or I guess we're taking fun.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I'm kind of
sensitive topic. No, that's not even why. Just because you aren't doing thesis. Like
yeah. So I have to take finals. Lexi doesn't. The majority of our grade doesn't have to take finals, but I do. Yes.
So, do you want to say hi to the video?
Hey, it's Chrissy Dog.
I feel like we're on the home run right now. All we have to do is just actually be able to graduate, which almost didn't happen the other day.
Bruh, baby, what's up?
So I have to tell you guys what happened last night. So I took a nap, okay, at 8 p.m. I woke up at
going to sleep.
No. Okay, so it ended up being a nap, and I woke up at 11, and I was like, oh my god, it's 11. So then I made a TikTok in my bathroom. I decided to curl my hair at 12, and then I went to bed at 2 because I was on FaceTime with someone. And yeah, now we're here, alive and alive. And it's 11:17 a.m. right now.
Okay, work.
So yeah, I'm gonna get a mint matcha today at Summer Moon. Lexi, what are you gonna get? The strawberry?
I don't know yet. I've had that for the last couple times, and last time I had it, I didn't sleep all night because I had so much caffeine. Because the nitro cold brew, I got the biggest one, and I didn't realize, so I couldn't sleep all night, and so I was up.
Oh,
so I don't think
Summer Moon just came out with this new like strawberry drink. It's very good.
16 ounce of the mint matcha with the oat milk, please. Yeah, can I also do a moon raker with ice in there, you know? Yeah.
You know.
Thank you.
Literally the cutest dog
So
ever.
excited.
I wish you guys could feel her. She's like the tiniest thing ever.
Oh, goodness.
Her tongue is like a snake.
I'll cover us next time. I'll spot us next time.
No, don't even say that.
Okay.
Where's my moon raker?
Biscuit's gonna get a pup cup. Guys, look at how beautiful this. Why is yours so small?
Because it's so much caffeine in there.
Yeah, you too. Oh my goodness.
Come here. Oh, come here, Biscuit. Ugh. How is it? Do you like it?
I think she likes it.
How would you not, bruh?
Wait, this is so freaking cute. This is why I eat at Lexi's house. This is why I'm always here, because we don't have food at our house.
Dude, this is why you're always here. You're just using me for my food.
Today we've got brown rice and salmon, and Lexi's got white rice and salmon.
I have my good sushi rice, which she didn't want.
Wait, I didn't know it was sushi rice.
That's what I just told you it was, and you're like, don't care.
Don't care. This is amazing. Look at how iconic Lexi's purse is. This is her backpack. We just got out of thesis.
Yes.
And we have to go to government. Well, no, I do.
I have to go to anatomy.
And I have a quiz today. Also, I was supposed to make up a quiz that I didn't. Guys, prom is coming up.
Prom is coming
This
up.
is a big deal.
It's gonna be good. It's gonna be great, and we're gonna look.
We're gonna go by
so
ourselves.
good. Yeah, together though. Together by ourselves. By ourselves together. And you know what? That is making a stand.
Oh, totally.
We're taking a stand. No, they know. Because I was told to cut down.
We are in the loser class.
Don't say that.
I'll show you.
Don't put us into a box.
This is what we do during class. We figure out what captions.
Yeah, so if you guys, hey, honestly, let me tell you something. I really struggle when it comes to Instagram captions. That is why I have 4 posts.
That's why I put random online.
So, if you got any comments for me about good Instagram captions, I'd love to hear them because mine are horrid.
Hi guys, okay, I'm home from school and I've got 2 PR packages I need to show you because these are so freaking cute. Also, I'm still in my uniform. I just changed out of my skirt. The first package is from Zitsticka, which is literally the best brand ever. They have this pore vacuum like face mask that I use, and it literally gets all of the pores off of your face. They sent this cute little bag with all of these goodies, and the bag says your face is fancy. So true. This is the face mask that I was just telling y'all about. It's the pore vacuum unclogging clay mask. It's really good for clearing pores and exfoliates your face. Then we have the Goo Getter spot clarifying dots, and these are patches for like the late stage of your zits. Then we have something that every person needs because summer is coming up, and it is the Mega Shade sunscreen serum. I have this. It's very good. SPF 50, so your skin is going to be protected. This is the Killa, which is for early stage and newfound zits. So you put this on like when you feel like you've got a zit coming on or whatever. This is the Hyper Fade, which is blur patches for dark spots. I'm really excited to try this out. I haven't tried this yet, but it is going to be perfect for me because I have hyperpigmentation on my cheeks. You can't really see it right now, but whenever I do my skincare routine, my cheeks get really red. So this is the Blur Potion. So excited. This bag is literally the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Other package I got is from a brand called Pop Beauty. They did a whole cute little package presentation, and there's 4 different things in here. So first we've got the headband, facial headbands that you put on when you do your skincare. Then we have the Fizz Jelly Cleanser. Super excited to try that out. Pom Pom Peel exfoliating pads. I do not use an exfoliator, and every time I go to get a facial, they always tell me that I need to exfoliate my face, so this is perfect. This is the Jet Setter Anti-Fatigue Mask, which is a hydrating and plumping mask that is going to be great in the AM and the PM. Thank you so much to Zitsticka and Pop Beauty for sending me these things. PR packages are not paid promotions. This is just the kindness of brands wanting to send their stuff to influencers. So I like to share the things that they send because I am very grateful, you know, that they want to send them to me. Apparently we're having hot dogs wrapped in like the Pillsbury dough tonight. I have no idea whose idea that was out of my parents, but I'm kind of here for it. I'm really excited to try it. And we're gonna go to church tonight. I think we're doing confession because it's the Lent season and Easter's coming up. So yeah, if you don't know what confession is, you can look it up. But basically you like confess your sins to a priest. And yeah, I think we're going at like 6 o'clock. Oh my gosh, this looks so good.
Okay,
Yes, we're having hot dogs wrapped in crescent rolls and scalloped potatoes.
Wait, what?
Yes.
We're also having okra from the farmer's market, except for look, there's like no juice in this. Can I just park a minute, girl? Shake it, gotta